Nah, listen what them a say, what them a say. Them why hear say me feel, but that them nah hear no deals.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Now guys, today I have for you guys a requested video. One of my subscribers asked me to do a what's in my train case video or beauty essentials video. So today we're doing the beauty essentials video. So if you're just starting off with makeup, and even if you're not just starting off, you really only need a few products. You don't need all these Alex draws and all of these acrylic storage and all of that to get a full face glam beat. Alright, so this is my bag of my essentials, and yeah, if I'm going on a vacation to Mobile or whatever, this is what I would take because it has all I would need. Alright, from eyeshadow to face to lips, all of that. Alright, so yeah, what do you really need? First things first, I'm going to take out my primer. Now all of these are going to be drugstore, or if not drugstore, they're indie brands, but definitely not high-end. Alright, so that's what I wanted to do also, because when you're just starting off, you don't want to go buy high-end stuff and you don't even know if you really like makeup, how you'll enjoy the product, etc. So this is and I'll try to put the prices also. This is the Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth Primer, and this one I believe it's for all skin types. So it just smooths your skin, helps your foundation to last longer, and it's one fluid ounce and it's very inexpensive. So I strongly recommend a primer. Alright, if it is that you have oily skin and all of that, you can purchase a primer that will help to control your oils. If you have dry skin, you do the opposite. You buy a luminous primer. So a primer is definitely a must. I used to think that it's not necessary, but it is necessary. So primer. Then foundation, you guys. This is my Revlon Color Stay foundation. I have it in the shade 440 Mahogany. Now this is one of my all-time favorite drugstore foundation. It's very inexpensive and it's long lasting, and you get medium to full coverage, and you can also build up that coverage. So foundation is a definite plus, and this one is 24 hour. This one is combination to oily, but of course they have a formula for normal to dry. So foundation is definitely a must. Alright, the next product I would say for starting like makeup must-haves is your concealer. So you can use the concealer under your eyes, you can use it to spot correct any blemish, etc. This one is from LA Girl. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I have it in the shade Chestnut, and this is my highlighting shade. I love this concealer. It gives you full coverage, it's long lasting, and it's very inexpensive. Next thing is a powder. Now this is a powder compact. This is my Maybelline Fit Me Powder, and this is in the shade 360. Now I will always keep this in my purse, and I keep it in my purse to touch up. It's not too heavy. You're not gonna get a full coverage, but it will help to mattify your skin, and you know, if you need to then touch up throughout the course of the day. So yeah, this is a purse must have. Like after you do your makeup at your house and you're going on the road, just like how you want to put your lip product in, you put your powder in. So that's a powder. You just use it to set all over your face. Another powder must have for me is my setting powder, and this is a loose powder. This is my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This is a must have for me because I really want to bake the areas of my face that gets really oily. If you have dry skin, you don't need this. You really don't. But it's also good if it is that you want to brighten up under your eyes, you know, like highlight your face. It really helps to brighten up those areas. So if you want to do a full-on beat, this is a must-have. If it is that you just want your face to look flawless and even, then skip this. Alright, but this is a definite must-have for me. Alright, the next thing is a contour shade. You can cream contour or powder contour, but who has the time to cream contour? So I usually just powder contour. This is my LA Girl Pro Contour Powder. It has a highlighting shade that you can also use under your eyes, so you can even scrap that. The setting powder, the loose one, and it has a contour shade for the hollows of your cheek, around your forehead, and just to overall give your face a more chiseled look. This one is very nice because the contour color is just perfect for dark skin. It might look a bit light because it's probably washed out, but trust me, it's really, really dark. Next must have is a mascara, and this is the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. You guys, I think I mentioned this in a favorites, and it's currently sold out on Ulta. Yeah, at the time I'm making this video, that's how good this mascara is. If you're thinking about getting a mascara, get this one. It's very inexpensive. I don't think it's more than $4, but it's really, really, really good, guys. It says false lash effect, and trust me, you don't need lashes with these. If you already have like good eyelashes and you apply this to it, trust me, you're good. You are good. Alright, my next must have is brow. Oh my god, this is what I should have mentioned first. You definitely need a brow pencil. This one is the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil, and this one I would think it's comparable in my mind, because I don't own it, but in my mind I think it's comparable to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Is it Brow Wiz? I think it's called Brow Wiz. And the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, it's super slim, guys. So on one end it has the pencil right there, and then on the other end it has a spoolie. Alright, right there. So it's very good, and it's very inexpensive. This one you can get it in half a tree, guys. Go and stock up. You can get this in the wholesale in Clock Tower half a tree for like $5 something, almost 600. But guys, just get it, please. And if it is that you're a beginner, it helps you to get more precise with your brows and all of that. Brow pens is just easier to work with than gel brow products. Alright, so get you a brow pencil, but the micro fine ones. Alright, make your life easier, I'm telling you. Alright, next you need the eyeliner. And whether or not you're a professional, get the Inglot Gel Liner in number 77. You can use it on your top lash line or your bottom lash line. Just get this. It's super black and pigmented, and it's matte, and it lasts a long time. Definitely get the Inglot Gel Liner in number 77. You will love this for sure. Staple. Right. Next is your lip products. You need your favorite liquid lipstick, you need a lip gloss, and you need a liner. So these are my three that I have chosen. This is Colourpop Spitch. You guys know this already. The NYX butter glosses are very good. This one is in the shade Angel Fouquet, and this is a Colourpop liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Lax. I'm wearing it on my lips now. You need an eyeshadow palette. If you're not an eyeshadow girl, then you can skip this, but this one is the first eyeshadow palette I've ever purchased, and it's dear to my heart. Like nowadays I really prefer a high-end eyeshadow palette. I can go everything else, drugstore, foundation, everything else, but my eyeshadow should be high-end, and that's because I like to collect these high-end eyeshadow, because the packaging, everything, the formula, they're usually better than the drugstore. But guys, NYX has a bomb eyeshadow. Alright, so this one is the NYX Wicked Dreams palette. It has a huge mirror, and then it has all these shades right here. Guys, this is staple. Neutral looks, pop of color, you can get it in this palette. So if you're thinking about, and it even has a black in it, so, and it's small and portable, so if you're looking for a good eyeshadow palette, pigmented shadows, last forever, then get this one. Alright, the last product I'm going to recommend, it's not a must-have, but it's good to have. And that's just because it has in highlighter, blush, and you can even use it for your eyeshadow as well. This is the Juvias Place Saharan Blush Palette Volume 1, and this is what it looks like. It has 2 highlighters in it, and then all these blushes. You can even use this as a bronzer. So guys, this is a must-have. This is the palette that I actually used to create my eyeshadow work for today, and my highlighter. It's an all-round palette, and yeah, it's definitely a must-have. I'm putting you guys on. Like, nobody told me this. I'm putting you guys on. Alright, so I think they're currently having a sale. Well, this was recorded in the IsThe, but they always have sales, so go on their website. As a matter of fact, their products are initially very inexpensive, so you can't lose. I think this is about 20 something, or if not, it's in the teens, but it's very inexpensive, and you get a lot of use out of this. Alright, so that rounds up my makeup essentials, you guys. That's everything. Alright, so that rounds up my makeup essential, you guys. That's everything in this little bag. Everything. That's it. And of course, if you want to apply lashes, you do so. You can use the Duo Lash Glue, and then a lash, cheap lash, like these ones. These are from Cara. They're the D Wispies. Those are the lashes I have on now. Alright, so that's it. I don't think this is more than $200 in here. And that's all the makeup you'll need for a while. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
No problem. Now worry about none of them. Now worry about none of them. Boy.
Why worry when God a work? If 1 minute but everything I work, still I work.